Hello children. Children, today we are going to write, in this video we are going to write spell words, next batch of, second batch of spell words that will be starting from 31 to 60. So let's start. 31. 31st one is glimpse. G-L-I-M-P-S-E, glimpse. Okay? G-L-I-M, glimpse. P-S-E, glimpse. G-L-I-M-P, glimpse. S-E-S, glimpse. Okay? So glimpse means a look. A glance, when we look at something suddenly, at one look and we stop, that is known as a glimpse. 32nd one, turret. T-U-R-R-E-T, turret. Turret means what I told? A long tower, a big tower where the emperor was standing on the turret and looking at the Gulliver in the lesson. You remember, right? So that is turret. T-U-R-R-E-T, turret. 33rd one, accustomed. A-C-C-U, accustomed. S-T-O-M-E-D, stummed. Accustomed. Accustomed means learning. All the customs, language, rules and regulations. Accustomed. A-C-C-U, accustomed. S-T-O-M-E-D, accustomed. Next, 34th one is emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. Emperor is none other than king. E-M-M-P-E-R, R-O-R, emperor. 35th one, inhabitants. I-N-H-A-B-I-T-A-N-T-S, inhabitants. I-N-H-A-B-I-T, habitants. A-N-T-S-Ns, inhabitants. Inhabitants means the people who will belong, the group of people, a group of living things, whether it's an animal, birds or human beings. A group of living things belong to the particular area or particular place is known as inhabitants. Okay? Inhabitants. Inhabitants. 36th one, neighboring. N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R, but I-N-G-E, neighboring. N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U, R-I-N-G, ring, neighboring. Say neighboring. Neighboring. Neighboring means the people who live beside to our place or beside to our state or beside to our country or beside to our house. Okay? Neighboring. Next, Blefusco. B-L-E-F-U-S-C-O, C-U, Blefusco. Okay? Blefusco is the place where Gulliver moved to the second time. Okay? B-L-E, F-U, Sco, S-C-U, Sco, Blefusco. 38th one, honor. H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. Say H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. 39th one, secretly. S-E-C-R-E-T-L-Y, secretly. S-E-C-R-E, secretly, L-Y-L, secretly, secretly. 40th one, harbor. H-O-R-B-O-U-R-E-D, harbor. H-O-R, heart. B-O-U-R-E-D, bird, harbored. Okay? H-O-R-B-O-U-R-E-D, harbored. Next, for the first one, victory. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. Victory. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y. Victory. Next one, capture. C-A-P. Capture. T-U-R-E. Capture. C-A-P-T-U-R-E. Capture. C-A-P-T-U-R-E. Capture. 43rd one, hatch. H-A-T. Hat. C-H-E-D. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H-E-D. Hatch. 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 44th one, escape. E-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. E-S-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. 45th one, England. E-N-G-L-A-N-D. England. England is a place in, you know England country? I think every one of you all know. Where Britishers live. Where the English people live. Okay? That country's name is England. UK. United Kingdom. Okay? Now, 46th one. Vandal. W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Wandering. Children, I have already given wandering. Wandering is thinking. Wandering is roaming normally or leisurely, walking in some particular place is known as wandering. Okay? You don't get confused with wandering and wandering. Wandering means what? Thinking. Wandering means roaming. Next one. 47th one. Brobdingnags. B-R-O-B. D-I-N-G-L-A-G-S. Nags. Brobdingnags. B-R-O-B. Brob. D-I-N-G. Ding. N-A-G-S. Nags. Brobdingnags. Brobdingnags were the people who Gulliver planned to kill in by the help of, he was helping to the Lilliputians, right? These Brobdingnags attacked Lilliputians, right? Remember? So, next, 48th one, giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. Giant is, you know, a big monster. Next, 49th one, amused. A-M-U-S-E-D. Amused. A-M-U. Amused. S-E-D. Sid. Amused. 50th one is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Scary means, you know what is meant by scary? Fearing, getting feared. S-C-A. Scared. R-E-D. Scared. Okay? Scared. Next, 51st one. We have successfully finished our 50 spell words. Now, remaining 10 are there. 51st one is wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. Wrapped. Wrapped means tying into something. Tying with ribbons or tying with the gift paper or with cloth is known as wrapping. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. Wrapped. 52nd one. Gratitude. G-R-A. Grat. T-I-T. Tude. T-U-D-E. Tude. Gratitude. G-R-A. Grat. T-I-T. T-U-D-E. Gratitude means showing humility. It means showing kindness. If someone is helping us, we need to be thankful to them, right? So that is known as gratitude. 53rd one. Furnished. F-U-R. Fur. N-I-E. Shed. S-H-E-D. Shed. Furnished. word fur, N-I-V-shed, S-H-E-D, shed, furnished. Furnished means arranging all the things which we want, like table, chairs, cupboards, beds and all. Furnitures. Now 54th one is awakened. A-W-A-K-E-N-E-D, awakened. A-W-A-K-E-N-E-D, awakened. Awakened means what? Someone will come and wake us from our sleep, right? Especially our mama will come us and make us to wake up. That is known as awaken. Waking up from the sleep suddenly is known as awaken. 55th one is fluttering. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Fluttering. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Fluttering. F-L-U. T-T-E. Ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. Fluttering. Fluttering means flapping the wings is known as fluttering. Now, last 5 are left over. 56th one is gasp. G-A-S, gasp. P-E-D, pet. Gasped. Okay? Gasp means what? Suddenly. Telling like this. Gasped. G-A-S, gasp. P-E-D, pet. Gasped. Next one, elation. E-L-A-T-I-O-N. Elation. E-L-A-T-I-O-N. Elation. Elation means what? Becoming more happy. Okay? When he thought that bird is taking him in the box by what? It has raised up in the sky, right? Taking the Gulliver in the box. So first one he was happy. When the bird had dropped him on the sea, in the middle of the sea. Firstly, he was happy that the bird had left him, but again he became nervous because see, coming out from the water is also another story, right? So elation is nothing but the happiness, a state of happiness. Next one, anxiety. A-N-X-I-E, T-Y-T, anxiety. A-N and S-X-I-E, T-Y-T, anxiety. Anxiety means what? What is under anxiety? Nervousness. Before he was happy, then after that, the happiness turned into nervousness. 59th one is memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y. I think everyone know what is meant by memory. Remembering something is known as memory, children. So Gulliver's memory about the Lilliput, Blefuscu people and the other people. Who were those? Brobdingnags. Okay? Who were those? Brobdingnags. Next, 60th one is the last one. It's the name of the writer. Okay? Sorry. Jonathan. J-O-N-A-T-H-A-N. Jonathan Swift. S-W-I-F-T. Swift. Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift is the writer of this Gulliver's Travel. So actually he have so many stories in one book. So here in our book only one story he had given. Okay. So that book, who's the writer of that book? Gulliver Travels? Jonathan Swift. J-O-N-A-T-H-A-N. Jonathan. S-W-I-F-T. Swift. Jonathan Swift is the writer, author of Gulliver Travels. So these are the next 30 spell words, children. So as I told you in the previous video that you need to continue from 31 to 60 in the same page. Okay, when you don't have place, anyhow you will be writing like this, right? Draw one line, neat line with the scale and go to the next side of the page. When you finish at that side, then you go to the next page. So you need to use the two sides of the one page to write some spell words. I think you will be getting hardly about 40 in one page. Next 20 you can write in another page. Okay children, once again I request you all to write down neatly. Each and every letter should look very clearly and damn neat. Okay, try to understand and pronounce the word and try to spell the words correctly and learn the spellings. Take care.